Did you know that fixing your credit could get you access to over $50,000 in business funding? Most people don't know how easy it is and how simple it is, but today I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do so. In today's video, I'm gonna answer 3 key questions. How to fix your personal credit fast, how to use your personal credit to get business credit, and what steps that you need to take to secure 50K in funding even if you have bad credit. I help dozens of people fix their credit like this and this to get over 50K in funding like this and this. So I know I could definitely help you guys out. I also helped one of my best friend who had a 560 credit score, increased it to a 720, and I was able to get him over 80K in funding. So I'll share their story and the actionable steps that you could take to implement today to get over 50K in funding. And make sure that you stay to the end of this video because I'll be giving you guys a free dispute template that helped hundreds of people dispute items on a credit report. So point 1, we're going to learn how to fix your credit fast. You probably think fixing your credit takes years to get done, but actually it's really faster than that. You can see significant increase in less than 30 to 45 days if you know what you're doing. It's back, baby. It's back. I had a friend that couldn't get approved for a basic credit card, let alone a business credit card. Their score was stuck at a 590 and they thought it was going to take forever to get it to the 700s. But after I was able to pull up his credit report, I was able to see that he got 2 collections on his credit report. And then I was able to identify the inaccurate information on his credit report. So this is exactly what we did. So the first thing we did is we disputed those accounts directly to the credit bureaus. You could do this online, but it rarely works. Like I don't know if I ever seen any success doing it online. My most recommended way is to send them a mail using a dispute letter that I'll be giving you guys for free at the end of this video. Once we did that, while we wait for the results, we was able to focus on a plan to bring down his utilization under 30%. If you didn't know, your utilization is a huge impact on your credit report, so make sure that's under 30%, recommended under 10% if you can. Within just 45 days, my friend was able to increase his score from a 590 to a 725. Fixing errors on your credit report and bringing down your utilization is the fastest way to boost your credit report. Point 2, business credit. Now that my friend's personal credit was in shape, now it's time to build business credit from scratch. I helped my friend get an LLC, and before you guys jump into getting an LLC, make sure you do a lot of research because you could mess up real bad. And I also helped him open up some trade libraries and vendors. My friend didn't realize how easy it was to establish business credit without using your own personal credit. But let me tell you guys this: if you're gonna go that route, it's going to take a while for you to build business credit, especially if you want to get that 50K to 250K in funding. The best way and the fastest way to do is to make sure you fix your personal credit and leverage your personal credit to get the business credit. Here's what you're going to do. Get an EIN from the IRS. It's completely free and it should take about 10 minutes to get. So that's something you don't want to do. You also just send me a DM and I got you. You're going to register your business with the Dun & Bradstreet, and you're going to get your DUNS number. You get the information taken care of. What you're going to do now is you're going to open up some accounts with some vendors like Uline and Granger. You're going to make small payments and pay them off early. This is really simple. We're not going to get real deep into this because most of my clients use a personal credit to get business credit because it's just way faster. So when it came to my friend, we did that same exact thing. It's just going to help establish that business credit, and once you use your personal credit with your business credit and they see that you got like vendors and stuff like that on it, the banks is going to trust you more and they're willing to give you more money. Now we're on to point 3, actually getting the 50K in funding. With both your personal and business credit in good shape, it's time to go for the bag. Because I built a strong, solid relationship with most of these bank managers, I was able to tell my friend what banks to go to, and I would just tell the bank managers, look, this is my friend. He's looking to get 50K in funding so he could start this or this type of business. It don't matter what business it's into, but it's because I built a relationship with these banks. They trust my word, and listen, at the end of the day, they make more money the more funds that they give out. So it's a win-win situation. So the first one I did it with my friend, he was only able to get 30K, but then we went to another bank and we got another 30K. So he's able to get 60K within 2 banks. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to apply for business credit from banks like Chase, Capital One, and American Express. Most of these banks do not report to your personal credit, so they're perfect for building funding capacity without affecting your personal credit. Now, there's a lot more information when it comes to all of this, but I cannot share everything on YouTube just because I am not an advisor and things like that. So if you do need more help, make sure to DM me. Make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, because my next video I'm gonna show you guys the 5 biggest mistakes that's costing you thousands of dollars when it comes to your credit. I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace.